Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. I just got the wood stove filled up, and I brought some wood around and piled it up in front. You're probably wondering, why do I do that? Oh, this thing's right behind me there. I have that big wood room. Why am I burning wood from the outside? Well, I always burn the wood in the winter time or beginning of the season. I burn out of a trailer for a while and just burn all the loose stuff that's laying around that's not in the shed. And I use the shed when it's covered with snow. Also, I figure if I'm using that wood that's outside the shed, that's wood I don't have to put it inside the shed in the spring. And so I've always done it that way. It eliminates me from cutting 20 cord of wood. Maybe I'll only need 15 or 10 or 12, you know. It's just how I do it. You know, it really probably doesn't matter in the grand scheme of things. But I have to go away. I have to leave for a week on some family business. I have to head out of town. Wife's gonna have to hold down the fort, so she can burn wood wherever she wants. But the time you see this video, I'll be back. But I want to talk about something out here in the sawmill yard. You know, last year, or about 8 months ago, I've done some mods on this. I installed that lightest SW350 Micron setworks. I said lightest because of that's the name of their website. I'll put it in the description here, and I'll also put it under the video. But I want to show you guys something. I want to talk about this unit real quick. This is the Micron, M-I-K-R-O-N, SW350 Pro Computer Setworks. And I said lightest. That's the name of the website, www.lyuts.com. If you want to email them, info@micronglobal.eu. Anyhow, I'm a big fan of this Setworks here. If you know, or been around the channel a while, you've seen me using this for maybe about 8 months now. Micron and I worked out a deal that I would obviously use their Setworks on my sawmill, on an entry-level homeowner sawmill that I did put a power feed on, but I will use it and show it and demonstrate it as we go along. But the other day I saw they have a sale on these, and what was the sale? Let me pull it up real quick. So Micron has a sale right now. This is originally $1,955 for this unit. They're selling it right now for $1,695. So it's at $260 off of this unit. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get this unit. I'm not making any money off of this unit. I actually paid for this unit as well. But I'm a very big fan of it. And you can put this on any mill, guys. And this is an entry-level mill. So I put this on the Frontier OS27. Just so you see, Frontier OS27. The Micron Setworks. Sorry about the flicker. I've not been able to solve that with different speed rates on my shutter speed. But anyhow, it's very accurate. So let's say I wanted to go up to 5 inches at the 5 mark. It's just, and there it goes. It's going up. Now I'm not real fast, but it's fast enough for me. How it works is uses this encoder right there. If you look right at 5 with the red line, let's go to 6. And let's say we wanted 1-inch boards from there on down. I'm going to save that and put that as home. And there's one of my presets. Maybe we'll do 3/4, 1.5 inches, 1 3/4, 2 1/4. Let's do 3/4 inch boards. Every time what's going to happen is I'm going to hit either this button or this button. It's going to go down 3/4 of an inch. It's going to go past it. And then it's going to come back up. Then I get to the cut. I hit the blue button, it goes up over the last board. I run it back down, then it's going to go down to the next 3/4 inch cut. Goes past it and comes back out. Guys, I'm telling you, even if you had a handle or a hand crank on this thing, it wouldn't be no problem. You could stop these anywhere you want. Let's say I want to go to 5. I can bring it up. There's 5. You can do it by hand. I can go to 6. There's 6. So you can do it by eye, you can do it by hand, you can use a crank and bring it up, or a lot of guys are making these power feeds now with a motor driving the cable up and down. Obviously I use screws. Let me show you how I did that. It's real quick. If you're ever wondering. That's how I did it. I turned these 2 big Acme screws here, and it goes up and down just fine. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but hey, I saw this come across. I don't know how time sensitive this is either, but reach out to them if you want to get one. Very big fan of that. I will never cut without another set of setworks on my sawmill. And if my next sawmill doesn't come with one, I will definitely be using the Mikrons setworks, guys. It's that good. So you can use this in so many ways. It's so programmable. Let's say you want some 1-inch boards, and you want to leave the center maybe 2 inches out of the center. So you can program that 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, skip, go up to 2 inches or 2 and whatever number you want, then 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. So it will come down, board, 1 inch board. It will jump down 2 inches or whatever you program, cut past the pith and go continue down to 1 inch. Or you can go 1 inch, 1 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, 6 inch, 7 inch, whatever you want. You can program all that in there. You can make it so it clears the entire cant each time if you got a big enough throat, or you can make it so it clears the last log, or just high enough for a drag back system. Very big fan of this system. They're a great company to work with. Customer service I've found has been really good. They reach out to me often, just giving me some new things they're working on with this. Different things you can program into it, I guess I should say. Some addendums to their user manual. But the user manual, it was so simple to hook up. Don't be afraid of it. If you got 12 volts at your system, you'll have no problems running this thing. So I just wanted to mention this, guys. I'm a big fan of this Mikrons setworks, and I saw it came through. I'm not making any money on it, but I just want to let you guys know, if you're in the market for one, now's the time to buy it. So, all right, guys, take care. We'll see you next time.